take a look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the tailgate, locking, seat adjuster, driver's 6-way power, remote vehicle starter system, seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, defogger, rear window electric, air conditioning, dual-zone automatic climate control, mirror, inside rear view with rear camera display, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.42 ratio, pedals, power adjustable for accelerator and brake, air cleaner, high-capacity, heavy-duty cooling package, heavy-duty, cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler, heavy-duty air-to-oil, engine, Vortec 5.3. L variable valve timing SV flex fuel with active fuel management, emissions override, federal, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, skid plate package, wheels, 417 inches x 7.5, 43.2 cm x 19.1 cm, aluminum, 5-spoke, convenience package, All-Star Edition, tailgate, S-lift, tires, P265/70 R17 on off-road, white outlined letter, fog lamps, front, halogen, rear parking assist, ultrasonic, universal home remote, steering wheel controls, mounted audio controls, Bluetooth for phone, audio system, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 playback, USB port, rear view camera system, suspension package, off-road and the trailering package, heavy duty. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.